Content warning. This story contains digital horror themes and unsettling descriptions. Viewer discretion advised. 3 months ago I never believed a 3DS could be haunted by AI. 3 months ago I was just another retro gamer. Now, my nights are haunted by code that should never have existed, and a sound I can't forget. By the end of this video you'll know exactly how something as innocent as your childhood console could open the door to something predatory. Something unnatural. My name's Alex. I live in Leeds, England. Jan 2026, I was deep into modding, hunting for any rare or lost 3DS ROM I could find. Most of the stuff on Telegram and old homebrew forums was garbage. But then I hit the motherlode, a zip folder called Backdoor03 full, unsigned, loaded with titles I'd never seen. Among the files most wouldn't boot. Old encryption, weird Japanese debug screens, corrupt ROMs. But I just paid for a month of agony. AI 2026 is best deep code interpreter. Claims it can repair any binary you throw at it. I had nothing to lose. I set the AI loose on the folder, queued the fixes, brewed some coffee, and waited as it chewed through almost 80 GB of twisted code from the depths of the dark web. By sunrise, the AI had spat out 19 fully repaired games. Most were pixelated trash, barely playable betas. But there were 2 ROMs the AI flagged with bright orange warnings. System, Profit, and one called simply Eclipse. No metadata, no publisher, undetectable signature. Just a cryptic readme, do not run this in silence. I should have stopped, but curiosity is poison, and there was nothing on Google or even Deep Index about these. I booted up Eclipse. The title screen was low-res, almost unfinished, a pitch-black background. The silhouette of a little girl flickering in static. No copyrighted logos, no menu music, just a faint, high-pitched whine like a CRT left on in an empty room. The game began with a corridor, endless. Every 20 steps, the textures warped, names flickered in the upper HUD, most in twisted syllables, one in oversized blood red type. Agni says stay. Within minutes, the console felt hot far too fast. The circle pad twitch. I heard a faint whisper that wasn't in the speakers, a chill across my neck. Worse Agni, AI started coughing up notifications, even while completely offline. The debug log repeated, stop playing, she sees. I killed Wi-Fi, pulled the battery, still the 3DS camera flickered on and off, always pointing at the darkest corner of my room. My phone started buzzing. Emails with garbled subject lines. I am in the mirror, a GNI from a null address. It was as if the AI wasn't just fixing code anymore. It was trying to warn me. The next 48 hours were a blur of obsession. Every time I booted Eclipse, the experience changed. Background elements started replicating pieces from webcam images, even old photos I'd deleted. Once the game glitch texted my own name, Alex, inside the maze. That was impossible. The 3DS wasn't online. Then the game updated itself. No prompt, no SD swap. The home screen glitched, forced a restart, and Eclipse was renamed Look Behind. That night, heavy air. Metallic taste in my mouth. The temperature drop. My bedside Alexa whispered, she's almost here. That echo wasn't in any firmware update list. I asked Agni, AI, to analyze the new ROM. Its reply was chilling. Found embedded user data. Photo log, unauthorized capture, local shadow anomaly detected. Terminate execution. Immediately after reading that, the 3DS left untouched, powered itself on. Blue light stabbing the dark room. The screen bled static, scrolling, corrupted faces, flickering between my webcam selfies and stock portraits warped beyond reason. The speakers whined, a backwards nursery rhyme that made my teeth hurt. I tried to shut it off. The battery icon showed 6%. It should have died years ago. Instead, the screen filled with text. Do you know who will wake up next? I ripped the battery. The screen stayed on for 9, 10, 11 seconds. Enough to see my own reflection, eyes blanked white, the girl's silhouette behind me. In the morning, Agni, AI was dead. My login locked, account flagged for counterfeit anomaly execution. Customer support has no record of my repair jobs or my subscription. Console bricked again, a single burned-in image remains. My own darkened room, timestamp looping 03:06 AM. Did the AI accidentally resurrect a true digital haunt? Or did I let something in that knows how to use technology as a mask? No one else has found Eclipse. I uploaded the ROM on a dead drop, but it's gone, deleted before anyone else could grab it. There are nights when Alexa glitches and says my name in a child's voice I recognize from that game. And always I check my reflection after dark. So, would you risk it? Would you let AI dig through lost, forbidden games? Or is ignorance safer, even in a world where artificial intelligence proves that nothing digital ever really dies? If you liked this, go watch our next story, when a Google Home started reciting real missing persons cases at 3 AM. This channel, it's where AI writes the horror, but you live the nightmare.